Stop right there. Before you write even one more practice paper for your Class 10 CBSE Maths exam, listen to this very carefully. Every year, lakhs of students prepare well. They solve NCERT. They practice sample papers. They even know the formulas. And still, they lose 10 to 20 marks. Not because maths is difficult, not because the paper is tough, but because of small, silly, avoidable mistakes. Mistakes that toppers never make. Mistakes that examiners silently cut marks for. Mistakes no one warns you about in school. In this video, I'm going to expose the most dangerous mistakes students make in the Class 10 CBSE Maths exam. Mistakes that can turn a 95 into an 80. If you really want to score 90 plus or even 100, watch this video till the end. Because the last mistake is the one that destroys the maximum marks. Hello students, welcome back to Study Smart Maths, the channel where we don't study hard, we study smart. If maths scares you, confuses you, or costs you marks, this channel is made for you. Now let's begin and learn about these silly mistakes and method to avoid them. Mistake 1. Ignoring NCERT, thinking it's too easy. This is the biggest myth. Students think NCERT is basic. Exam questions come from outside. Let me be very clear. 80 to 85% of CBSE Maths questions are directly or indirectly from NCERT. Examiners love NCERT examples, NCERT exercises, NCERT word problems. If you skip NCERT and jump directly to guides, you are inviting danger. Many students lose full marks because they solve the question correctly, but use a method different from NCERT. And CBSE awards step marking based on NCERT logic. Here is a smart tip. Solve every example and exercise question of NCERT at least twice. Mistake 2. Writing only. Final answers, not steps. This is maths, not a MCQ test. CBSE follows stepwise marking. If you write answer equals 4 and the answer is wrong, you get 0. But if you write steps and make a small calculation mistake, you still get partial marks. Many students know the method but skip steps, jump lines, write rough work inside the answer, and then cry after results. Golden rule to avoid this is, even if you know the answer mentally, write the steps. Steps are marks. No steps means no mercy. Mistake 3. Careless calculation. This mistake hurts the most. You know the formula. You know the method. But you lose marks because of wrong plus or minus sign, multiplication mistakes, square root errors, decimal confusion. Examiners don't care if the mistake is small. A wrong calculation means final answer wrong, full marks gone. Smart strategy to avoid is always recheck calculations. Box the final answer. Leave space between steps. Don't rush just to finish early. Speed without accuracy means disaster. Mistake 4. Not reading the question. Properly, CBSE questions are tricky by language, not by concept. Students lose marks because they solve for x instead of y, find radius instead of diameter, answer in meters instead of centimeters. One word can change the entire answer. Example, question. Find the number of solutions. Students solve the equation instead as an answer. Exam hack for this is underline keywords. Read the question twice. Understand what is asked, not what looks familiar. Mistake 5. Skipping diagrams and graphs. Many students hate diagrams. They think, I'll imagine it. This is the big mistake. In chapters like geometry, circles, triangles, coordinate geometry, a neat diagram makes solution easy, helps examiner understand, can even earn grace marks. Bad or missing diagram creates confusion and result marks cut. Smart tip for this is use pencil, draw clean, labeled diagrams. Even rough diagrams should be logical. Mistake 6. Poor time management in exam. Students spend 40 minutes on Section A, panic in the last 20 minutes. Leave long questions incomplete. This is not lack of knowledge. This is lack of planning. Perfect CBSE Maths strategy is: first 15 minutes, read paper, start with questions you know best. Don't get stuck on one question. Keep last 10 minutes for revision. Remember, attempting all questions correctly leads to solving one tough question perfectly. Mistake 7. Not revising formulae before exam. Forgetting formulas in the exam hall is a nightmare. Students say, "I knew this at home." But pressure changes everything. Reality is, if formulas are not on your fingertips, you'll panic. That's why we strongly recommend daily formula revision, one-page formula sheets, last 30-day revision plan. Here is an important: we share chapter-wise maths, PDFs, formula sheets, and sample papers on our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. Join now so you don't miss free PDFs before the exam. Mistake 8. Not revising answers at the end. This is the most dangerous mistake. Many students finish early and just sit quietly. But toppers do one thing differently. They recheck. Signs, calculations, question numbers, final answers. One corrected sign can save 5 marks. The perfect rule is never submit your paper without revising, even once. So students, if you want to score 90 plus, 95 plus, or even full marks in Class 10 CBSE Maths, avoid these mistakes at any cost. If this video helped you even a little, like this video, comment "Study Smart," share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Study Smart Maths. Because here, we don't fear maths, we master it smartly. Join our Telegram channel right now for free maths PDFs, formula sheets, and exam-focused practice material. All the best for your exam. Study smart, stay confident, and success will follow. See you in the next video.